Watching through my window, London seems like a colony of ants. People always keep moving around like ants, staying in ant holes. Rushing to office early in the morning, once in office, to take care of the tensions there. After that, everyone fights to head back home in the evening. In all this rush, people seem to be forgetting to live in the bargain. This is the story of all the big cities. Autumn here is a beautiful sight, with trees covered in yellow and red leaves wherever you look. Even seasons follow a military pattern here. Hardly 4 months into summer and autumn arrives obediently. But Ammu, when working day and night to earn their bread for the day, an expat Malayali like me fails to see the beautiful London that we see in the postcards. Just like me, each one withdraws to their own island of loneliness, with hearts filled with nostalgic thoughts of their motherland. Indians, Pakistanis, Bangladeshis, Africans, whites, artists, homosexuals. People are divided by walls of caste, creed, and color. This land has numerous faces, numerous cultures, and numerous languages. Ammu, you have to visit this place at least once. Even then, Ammu, I have to say that this London city has a royal pride, especially in this tourist season. In the night, thousands of lamps come to life, and under that light, in that beautiful weather, lovers hold their hands and walk. Time and this place keeps flowing just like that. Though it knows about our life, it keeps ignoring and just flows.
Sipan? Sipan, wake up, it's getting late. Sipan? Wake up, Chipmunk.
Chipmunk. After last night, I thought you would call me a tight hug.
Sipan, it's nearly 8 o'clock and it's getting late.
Relax, baby. There is always some time for love in this busy world.
Sarasu,
Yeah,
haven't you washed my socks?
it's in the dryer. Please check.
Okay. Where? I can't find it. Sarasu.
Oh. Please check in the dryer next to the cupboard.
Okay. Oh yeah, I got it.
Chinu, put your legs down. This isn't the way girls sit. Deepu, tie your hair. How many times I told you? Have bath, say your prayers, but you're not listening. Just brushes the teeth and goes to school.
Mom, everybody comes to school like this.
Yeah, I know about your school story. I have seen the girls in the school bus wearing the shortest of skirts. I'm surprised how their parents allow them out in such clothes. Really very, very bad. Come on, finish it fast. Ram, can you please come? Your coffee is getting cold, dear.
Oh, Sarasu, stop shouting. The entire county would have known that I'm having a coffee now.
Here, take these idlis.
Oh, idli again? Come on.
Please help
Oh,
yourself.
okay. Okay then, girls, now tell me. What's the hot topic between you and your mom today?
Amma doesn't like girls wearing mini skirts to school.
Then ask your mom to buy you guys some half sari or something. Your mom is impossible.
Yeah, all of you tease me now.
Oh no, it's 8 o'clock. Get me the coffee. I have a meeting by 9:30.
Okay, have it.
Okay. Hey, Sarsu,
Yeah?
have you seen my ID somewhere?
Oh God, can't you manage one day without getting late to office? Very bad.
Come on, fast. If I miss the 9 o'clock train, then I'll be finished today. You got it?
Here.
Okay, thank you. Come.
Can't you keep it in one place?
Yeah, I'll do that from tomorrow.
Hey, finish your food and go.
I'll see you later.
Hey, wipe your mouth.
Come on, girls, quick.
Chinu, you forgot your bag. Hey, listen. Here.
Love you, Mom.
Take it
Come
here.
on, let's go.
I told you back then, Mama, not to strain yourself in your health condition.
You don't know about him. He is an old friend of your father. When we struggled with 2 kids, Thomas helped us a lot.
Hey, Sally, isn't it ironic? Thomas had bought a lot of land in his home country due to hard work. But to bury him, we had to buy 6 feet of land in a foreign country.
See, she's coughing. It's too cold for her. I think better we go to home.
Oh, I think it's going to rain. It's so unpredictable like the train system in our country. You never know when it's going to come. Okay, Sally, you stay with Mama. I'll go get the car.
Okay.
God, what is this? Haven't you finished washing the clothes by now? Take bath and get ready.
Just give me 5 minutes. 2 more shirts to go, please.
How many times should I tell you? Can't you use the washing machine? No use in speaking to you. You continue washing and I'm going.
No, wait. I have to walk alone.
Hey, I have to go and open the hotel. If I wait for you, it will become so late.
Okay, then you leave. And when you go, please close the door properly.
Oh, you think you are a 16-year young teenage girl, huh?
Are you there?
Hello? Who's this? Honeymoon guy. When did you reach? Oh, is it? And you are calling right now. When you got a wife in your life, you abandoned our 10-year friendship. This is too fair, man. No. I don't want to hear anything. And also, you are so pathetic. I know who you are, man. Hey, hold on a second. Something is happening here. Hey, Stacy. What did I tell you? Red is your color. And hey, let me get the trice thing issue. Cause this lady is on fire.
Stop it.
So, what about today's lunch?
I'll think about it.
Yeah, tell me. Hey, I'm not so privileged as you. I'm just a struggling bachelor. who has to work hard to find luck in the evening. What to say? Half late, my luck is stuck with 30 plus. Above 30 plus, the ladies are, they are using like a chewing gum. If they taste it and then throw it, that's it. So my life going that way only. Well, tell me, what's happening with you? Hey, come on, bro. Don't start again. My manager is so arrogant. He's asking me to submit medical certificate for just 2 days of sick leave. So forget about 2 weeks trip to India. And moreover, I hate weddings in India, man. It's like a street fair. Seriously, you both the people don't even know about that.
So tell me, will you forget to send me the mail?
No way.
Good. You. Sorry.
I will do.
Sorry. Oh. Yeah, tell me.
Ram, do you remember my Facebook password? I tried Ram Sarasu, but it is not opening. Can you please...
Am I supposed to remember your password? You should have noted it down somewhere. Huh? Listen, I've told you 1,000 times, don't call me during office hours. Nothing else, right? All right, bye.
Wait, Ram!
It's from home.
Okay.
Okay then. See you.
Bye, doctor.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning.
Yeah, tell me. What? Hey, give your excuses to my mom, okay? Not to me. When you said you're not coming, she was so upset. And you know one more thing? She had lot of questions. And I can't answer her. What kind of person you are? Huh? You having only one best friend. You don't know his wife name? You shameless guy. It's Gauri. No, Gauri. Gauli not man. Gauri. Oh, from whom you learn language I don't know.
Oh, it's very chilling outside. Please make a hot cup of coffee. That's the main reason for my visit. To be honest, I prayed that your trip to be cancelled. Please don't say that. Somina, just one trip in a year. You know that, right? You don't know, Shruti. Your visit is my only consolation. I feel choked sitting at home. Honestly speaking, I somehow want to complete a year and go back. But Ram and kids, they don't want to go back to India. Wanting to go back, it's phase every Indian goes through. The earlier you get rid of that, listen, the earlier you get rid of that phase, that's better for you. This is my personal advice for you. I really don't understand what is so appealing in this place. Whatever it is, there is no substitute for one's mother. Oof, you and your logics.
Where did our Shafi went, buddy? Waterford?
Oh, he went to Watford.
Yeah, something like that. He says it's a very beautiful place. He takes care of everything that's required in the hotel. The owner, I think, stays somewhere else. He stays right behind the hotel.
Why haven't you thrown out the waste? This is enough to get our license cancelled. Make it fast. Don't be lazy. And Saju, is the buffet menu ready?
Right away, sir.
Okay. What is it?
Nothing. Police.
Oh no, what are you talking? Have you committed any crime here?
No.
Is your name Muhammad or Bin Laden? then why do you have to fear the police? Say, half of London population is like you, illegal immigrants. Got it? The police have other work to do as well. You understand that?
No, but I shouldn't fall in their trap, no?
Oh, I'm completely fed up with you. If you don't have the courage, why did you come here with a visiting visa and abscond? Is this fair? Oh my God, why does all the trouble find its way to me?
But I didn't...
Hey, give me the trash, man. I will throw it. You go and check the chicken.
Yeah.
And then, you need to make 2 deliveries. Siju is not available. You should only do it.
But for delivery, I...
Oh, this is how you learn.
You closed the shop early?
That Pakistani boy has come. I'll go close shop after Johnny arrives. When are they supposed to reach?
By 4 or 5?
Is Mayhu here?
Yeah. She reached. Has shut herself in the room.
Mayhu? 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 Why did you not pick up Mama's call? Where were you?
I was in a train. I didn't hear ring.
Oh God damn it, I can only see you texting all the time. You could as well have texted us instead of coming. Mehu, I have told you time and again, where you're going and with whom you're going is a matter of concern to us. I've told you many times to come back home from school.
Daddy, I'm not like 5 years old that you've got to check up on me every 2 seconds. Jesus.
Listen, don't you pick up an argument with me. I don't care if you have grown. I will slap you. You keep picking on my nerves.
Hey, stop it. I think Jimmy has arrived. I don't want the family to know our issues. You just come, okay?
Today is Diwali, no mom? Definitely there would be Kathakali at the temple. Ever since I started performing, this is the first time I'm missing it. Last time when I performed, everyone liked it a lot. After my performance was over, before leaving, Panikya sir came over to bless me. He said I have a bright future but not to spoil it like him. Future it seems. The roads that we take and the crossroads that it leads to. Otherwise, what else is future? These days, there is only one expression that comes on my face: fear. Even in the midst of a huge population, the feeling of being alone and lonely, even that is a sort of pain. If I was unable to write letters to you like this, I would have drowned long back in this vast ocean. And I don't know why sometimes I feel so low. Mind seems to be jittery. Tomorrow's a holiday. Have to go to the temple. Will pray till I feel good. After all, only London God can save me now.
Let them conduct the elections. No. I have a question. In all these years of Malayali Association, why do you want to conduct an election when I have to be the president? Tell me. I don't like it.
You know very well that in Kathakali there is only one character that I couldn't do, As a chef, now I'm doing just that. It seems I have to play that role throughout my life in the city. To act without makeup seems to be a bit difficult. While performing, the makeup helps you get the character right into your blood. Then you have to perform to get them out of your blood. But this is like...
Yeah, tell me. Oh, is it? Okay. House number 215. Be here after the delivery.
Okay.
Go fast. Tell me. Yeah.
Where can I find this number? Whom do I ask?
I think that's the food.
Sir.
How much?
14 pounds.
Keep the change.
Thank you.
Hi, everyone.
Uh-huh. I didn't see you before here.
How is your schooling going?
It's alright.
Sally's sister? She doesn't know a language. She is coming from India, but she doesn't know a language.
It's not that she doesn't know. She does not want
That's
to.
the case with all the kids here. I faced an issue in my office. When I spoke to a guy in my office in our language, he just did not speak to me at all. So I said, okay, Englishman.
Have the kids done with the pizza? Let's keep it aside.
Eastern Hotel is really good. Beef roast is not delivered by anyone else. I think this is the only place in Europe where you get beef roast delivered to your home.
I don't understand that. In spite of having beef every day at home, and why should we order the same in the restaurant too? Maximum variation is a pizza. Or maximum Chinese.
Did you listen to your sister? Yesterday she insisted on trying a Portuguese restaurant. And she wanted dosa. Isn't it funny?
See, that's what I'm saying. After coming to this country, you need to explore the food and culture. And one more thing, no point in holding on to your pound and sitting at home. What's the use? For whom are you saving? For the kids, huh? When they grow, you think they'll take care of us?
Jimmy, before you sit down to eat, go and meet Mother. After the funeral, she's been sneezing. I think she's suffering a bit.
Why, Mara, did you have to go out in the cold?
You don't worry about me. I'll be all right in 2 days. You tell me, where had you gone?
We have been to Scotland, grandmother. Glasgow, Edinburgh. We visited all the places. It was very beautiful, you know. We have to take grandmother also.
Very funny. You know, we have never been out with mother. Another thing, you know very well about her. She always wants to have home food. And it's difficult for her to walk around.
What is there for me to see at this age? I always tell Joe to go, but he doesn't listen.
Mama, I told you not to strain yourself. You'll start coughing. You have a temperature. Sally, get me the medicines. It's time for Mama to rest.
No thanks.
May I take your order, madam?
Yes. Rajesh, you order.
She is a vegetarian. What is good here, man? Yeah, I will order it. It's my treat. It's my treat. One puerta and one beef stroganoff, and then crocodile bread.
Thank you, sir.
Faire a pizza, s'il vous plaît.
Merci, monsieur.
French women have a soft corner towards a man who speaks French, you know?
Your friend got married, so when are you going to commit?
Hey, already he got married, right? After that, he is facing lot of problems that you know. I'm not blaming you, but all the guys thinking this only. I want to be a bachelor and enjoy the life. You know, he has a PhD in passing comments, but in front of you, act like a decent guy.
Hey, don't spoil my image. This is the only reason I did not intro her to you.
I'm going to crush your good boy image. Well, Mrs. Gauri Rajesh, how is British life?
Well, it's been a few days. So far, it is okay.
I'm sure you haven't gone out anywhere. I know him very well. He spends his entire time on PlayStation, even if it is night also. And now, he has another good reasons to stay home. You. Okay, why don't we do this? This weekend, let's make a bike trip to the countryside. What do you say?
I don't know.
Don't look at him. He will not say no. If he say no, his bachelorette worms will come out one by one.
If anyone have a friends like you, no need of enemies. One day, I'll get a chance to.
Yeah, of course. Already I said, but for that you will have wait for some time, okay?
How is it now? Here? Is it here? Okay, here. Oh, is it there?
There only.
Oh, okay. Sarasu, was it so important for you to get on the ladder and do all that? Huh?
Of course, yes. It's Diwali. There has to lights.
Yes. The Englishman was asking me. Does Christmas come in October for you?
You should have told him. Diwali is an Indian festival. When Lord Rama came back to this country... Oh God, carefully.
Okay.
It's paining. When Lord Rama came back to this country, the whole country was lit up with lights. That's when they will know what our culture is.
I don't think he'll understand. Who am I to teach Indian culture to every foreigner I meet? Am I Swami Vivekananda? Huh?
Ram, what about return to India?
Oh, we'll see.
Oh God, I would not have had this plight in India. See how much I am suffering here. I have no clue how I will manage housework with this leg.
Sarasu, what's the connection between your leg and India? Huh? Okay, I've been thinking for some time now, why don't we hire a servant for our house?
Huh?
If she comes for a couple of days and does the cleaning work, that'll be a great help for you. Let us see. I've inquired at the hospital. We'll see.
No, Ram, please. There is no need. I don't like anyone else doing the cleaning, please.
Now, you don't have to worry about all that. Let me worry about it. And you get good rest. You should understand when I say something.
We used to be neighbors. The next compound. Even in school, we were together. Ammu was 2 grades junior to me. When she got admission to the engineering college, they all left to Thrissur. Now, in this January, it'll be 5 years. Sometimes I think, if it was to separate us, that her dad did all this as part of a bigger plan. But I can't blame Sridharan uncle for that. Well, who has escaped from that god-forsaken place?
Who is that Sridharan?
Ammu's father.
Oh.
You've seen newly rich people, no? He is just like that. After downing 2 pegs, he starts talking about the stories in Dubai. And that is exactly why people don't go in front of his house in the evening.
Now I understand. So, Sridharan is the villain in your story, right?
No, you can't call him a villain and all. He is just a small barrier, that's all. He is not very fond of Kathakali. In fact, he hates it. But then, Ammu is not like that. She does Bharatanatyam very brilliantly. In Kalamandalam, she got admission also. But he was not very happy with it. My daughter should not dance in front of people to make money. That's what he said. Then he had to pay 3-4 lakhs to take an admission for engineering.
According to me, what he did is right, man. A profession is needed for a good livelihood.
Dear Siju sir, in Kerala, engineers and doctors are there in every nook and corner. Even in Sri Krishnapuram, there are 500 engineers. None of them have a job, all idling around. If you consider that, Kathakali is much better. Even though you are dancing in front of foreigners who have come for a massage, you can earn something.
But I don't think a father will allow his engineering daughter to marry a person like you.
This one is interesting. One day, he took 2-3 pegs and he was telling me, I want to give her to a guy who's working in Dubai. And that's exactly why I am struggling here. Whatever you say, London is much better than Dubai. If nothing, these people have ruled India for a very long time, no?
You first finish your drink. Don't waste it. Think about the people back home who queue up in the sun to buy drinks.
Everything will be all right.
Can I get you anything else?
You want anything else?
No, I have to leave. Already I'm so late.
Okay. Can I get what she is drinking, please?
Sure.
Thank you.
See, 100 each for her. Gauri called me. Hello? Yeah, Gauri. No. I just came to meet Sibin. Yeah, I'm starting. Okay, bye.
Your situation is too bad. You are on a list, man.
Hey, don't tell like that. And anyway, I can't blame her. Because she is alone from the morning, right?
Okay, you carry on. I don't want to make you late. Because I'm gonna impress that girl. Knock, and then only the door shall be open.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
See you.
Would you like to take me a picture for beer?
You want a picture of me?
Yeah?
And may I ask you why?
I just want to show Santa what I want for this Christmas.
You're drunk.
No, I'm not. I'm just intoxicated by you.
You're good.
I think someone who's written very beautifully about love is Bashir, Mr. Waikim Muhammad Bashir. His character Sarama says, love is such a useless thing. So true. These days I am waking up thinking what to write to you. Whatever I start writing, it turns out to be Sarama's useless thing. No, I am not going to send it to you. I know you would laugh after reading that. If there is anything good to say, I'll say it to you when we meet.
कौसल्या सुप्रजा रामपूर्वा संध्या प्रवर्तते.
What is your name?
Hasina.
Hasina. Which part of India are you from?
Bangladesh.
Oh, Bangladesh? Okay. You're working?
Yeah, in a shop. In Barking.
Oh, in Barking.
Yeah.
Good. In my house, washing, cleaning. Cooking, I will do. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Come, I'll show you.
Thank you.
Sorry, did you pack Mama's medicines?
Yes, her wheezing was severe today. I gave her a puff before leaving.
She had been slogging all her life. After Dad's demise for the past 38 years, she's been suffering with wheezing. Sometimes, when she's on the verge of sleep, the sound of kitchen makes her up. When that's done, some of the sound keeps her awake most of the night.
Joe, can I ask you something? Why is it that only you love her so much? Jimmy never bothered to take her even once. At least 1 week, he can take her to his home, right? Always Jimmy says, the next time we will take her with us. Few days mom can stay with us. Simply he's telling. Actually, he doesn't want mom there.
It's not so easy with a health condition to take care of her. Her medicines, when and what to take, is only known to you. How can he take her in this situation?
Is it? So, my mistake is that I'm a nurse. You know something? To give medicines on time, you don't need a nursing degree. And Joe, you know that very well. All you need is little love and humanity. Your brother is only bothered about privacy and dining out. Instead of that, is not at all bothered.
You have a tongue that is worse than an acid.
Hill, West Norwood, Gypsy Hill, Bristol Palace, Norwood Junction, and West Croydon. Customers for Wandsworth Road, Clapham High Street, Denmark Hill, Peckham Drive, Queens Road, Peckham, South Burlington, and London Bridge, Change and Battersea.
Ram, listen. I miss telling you. I always see a girl from our country in this road. But I see always she's talking with a Negro boy. Ram, are you listening?
Look, Sarasu, I've told you more than 100 times that don't use the word Negro.
What is this? Can't I speak my mind in the bedroom?
Oh, yeah. Today you'll say this in the bedroom and tomorrow in front of 10 others. Sarasu, sometimes when I listen to you talking, I feel like you've never been to school or college.
It's because I have been to college and I felt that friendship was not right. And whenever she sees me, why she is hiding, Ram? You know, if it was Deepu, I would have broken her leg. That's why I'm telling you. Why, Ram? Why to take this tension when our girls are growing up?
Sarasu, that's because you sit at home and think about unnecessary things. How many times did I tell you to inquire about the CA course?
I really don't want to work in this bloody country. Listen, Ram. Maybe England is great for you and the girls, but I can't bear it. Listen, Ram. With your 2 years of experience here, definitely I tell you, you'll get a very good job elsewhere. Then why to stay here?
My dear, do you know what people are willing to do to get a position in this hospital? Do you have any idea about that? Tell me. Not only that. Now, what is the big difference in a city like this and a city in our country? Huh? It's all global culture everywhere. Now, if we go back to our country, are you sure that our children will listen to us and do what we say? Tell me. Come on.
At least in India, they can be candy if required.
Hey, look, Sarasu, I'm not in a mood for an argument. I have to finish this work by tonight. We'll do something. We'll discuss this tomorrow, okay? Now go and get some sleep. I have to finish this work.
Joe, after you finish, wash the fish curry vessel, okay? Last 4 weeks you didn't wash at all, and it smelled very bad. One more thing. I have weekend duty, and she has drama rehearsals in church. Then, what about mother?
Well, someone's got to take care. I'll check with Jimmy.
Okay, I'm leaving.
Are you done with the reports yet?
I'm still working on the December forecast. We'll email you when it is ready, okay?
Okay, sure.
Hello, brother. What happened?
It's been a long time since I heard from you.
Oh, don't ask me. Lots of issues at work. I reach home only at midnight every day.
This weekend, will you be coming?
This weekend, I'm a bit busy. Thursday is Usha's birthday, so I have to take her out on Saturday. And Aditya has skating class on Sunday. And to top it all, I might have to come to work on Sunday. That's okay. How is mother doing?
Her wheezing has worsened. Not only that, she's all alone here. It'll be boring, isn't it? Why don't you call her?
If I call from office, I have to speak loud. And it is very difficult for me to call during working hours. And I can't be wasting working hours. I won't be paid. And I want my monthly salary. Hello? Brother?
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
When he was old, my dad started getting mental problems. He was unable to sleep in the night. Thinking that thieves would come into a house, he would sit near the door with a stick in his hand. One night when he heard a noise from the nearby compound, he immediately threw a stone right on Sridharan uncle's head. What happened next was total fun. The very next day, he raised a 7-foot compound wall.
So you mean to say you have to romance her over that wall, is that right?
That is okay, Siju sir. Though my dad was ill, he never considered it. Sridharan uncle caught my dad by his neck and pushed him.
What happened?
Nothing much happened. Poor Sridharan uncle. A week after that, he fell ill. People started saying that I put color on my face and frightened him off.
Is there any truth in it?
Nothing like that, Siju sir. Siju sir, please come.
Where?
Come with me.
Where, man?
What do you think about this? It's good, no? I plan to buy this once I get my salary.
So it's not just me who wait for the salary. All same blood.
Ammu will like it.
Monistam. You know what? You've actually got a bed and breakfast this morning, right?
Yeah, as if you can cook.
Mehu, do you want to come home? I'll drop you.
It's my dad. See you later. I'll call you.
Mehu, I want to talk to you about something.
What is there to talk about? Daddy, he's just a friend.
Oh, shut up. Give me a cell phone. I said give it. Listen. If you step out of this house without my permission, I'm going to break your bloody legs and pack you back home. Do you understand? In you go.
Hey, Stacey. What's up?
Okay, this is our new contractor from India. Let me try that again. Krishnan.
My name is Jay Krishnan.
Okay, and this is Sibin Kuryakos. Well, we call him Sibin. I'll leave you two to it.
Okay.
Sibin, nice to meet you.
How are you?
Are you from India?
No.
Okay.
Yeah. Good luck and I'll talk to you later.
Sure.
Yeah.
Poor guy. And?
Poor guy. You know what? The first question even before hi or hello is, are you Indian?
That's quite normal when you meet a fellow Indian outside, you know.
And if I tell him I'm an Indian, then they start asking about your family, wife's professions, and everything else.
Everybody likes to speak in their mother tongue. Then what's the problem? You always keep on avoiding on that.
Oh, then he is an Englishman, right? Huh?
If you're bored means we can talk about some old stories.
Hey, calm down. How about a beauty chili down?
Yeah. Sounds good.
Yeah. Come.
Did you sleep well, Mama?
No. Jimmy just called and spoke to me. Did you speak to him? Your hands are frozen. Is it cold outside?
A little. What did he have to say?
Nothing much, Joe. He is always busy. Usha is struggling with the baby.
Shall I massage your legs, Mama?
One fish fry and beef roast.
What, sir? Are you the East London Indian Association's new president? Huh?
Yeah, I am the one.
Congrats. It's not a simple rank, okay? You have to give us treat.
Okay, I'll treat you. After closing, we will get together here at 9. Yeah, make it fast. Guys, be ready. Saju, go easy on the chili. I think you understand.
Sure, I will make it right away. Hey, buddy. Please take the knife.
I already have it in my hand.
Let's make it smell fresher, hey? Let's make it smell fresher. Hey,
get off! Get off now!
Gonna spray more on you, like make you smell fresh.
I'll call the police. Hey!
Oi! What are you doing? What the fuck do you think you're doing? Get out! Get the fuck out!
She entered this.
Get out! You fucking stay out!
Gonna spray more on you, like make you smell fresh. Fresh.
Don't know what to do. Like father, like daughters. My life will be over washing clothes. In my last birth, I must have been running a laundry service. Oh God, I really don't know why do they mix fresh clothes with the dirty ones. They're asking me why can't you smell and find the difference between the clothes? Am I a police dog? To smell the clothes and to check it.
What is it, Mum? Chocolate?
Mom, give it back.
Go to your room and do your work.
I know their games. That is why I played a trick. That is why I insisted on a weekday for the election. That entire gang is employees.
Oh my god, Paul's brother. Come on, let's get over the election.
Let's spice up the party. How about a song?
Yeah. Here, who is going to sing a song?
Yeah, our staff and my good buddy is very good at that. Want to hear him sing?
Is it?
Yeah.
Come here.
I won't come.
Hey, come on. Come on. Come and sing. You sing a good dancing number, okay?
No dance, only Kathakali.
All are same thing. Come on, sing.
Come on, sing. Sing.
Ajita Hare Jaya Madhava Vishnu Ajita Hare Jaya Madhava.
Oh, enough, stop it. What is this? What the hell you are singing? You will put us to sleep.
Sing a fast number, man.
Leave it, I will sing. I never knew, but I was walking line. Come go with me, I should have no time.
I never knew, but I was walking the line.
Come go with me, I said I have no time. And don't you pretend, we didn't talk on the phone. My baby cried, she left me standing alone. Buddy, why are you standing here? Everybody over there is asking for you.
I won't come, Siju sir.
It's once in a blue moon that our boss treats us like this. We should fully utilize it. Come on.
I don't want to come.
Come on, buddy. I'm telling no. Please.
Shankar, come. Look here, Shankar. The first program of the association is Christmas celebrations. And along with Santa Claus, let us have your Kathakali too there, okay? You have all the clothes and ornaments for it right there in the association. There'll be a lot of dancing and singing too. You must sing there, okay? Don't worry. Other things will be provided by the association.
Listen, I am not available for such silly things. It took me 8 years to learn this great art, and I did not learn it to play the clown. And then, if you don't know how to appreciate an art, at least you should have minimum common sense not to disrespect it. Siju sir, I am leaving. Come if you want to.
Hey buddy, listen to me, man.
Shankar, don't get angry. When you came here for a job, I gave it to you, and not because I needed help. It is because I had a fondness for you. It is just because I liked you very much. If you don't feel the same, there is no need for you to come back here at all. And don't forget your accommodation, also my kindness to you.
Leave it, sir. He's just upset.
Hey, even I have pride, man. You have to vacate tomorrow. If there is anything pending, I'll send it through Siju.
Hey, don't go, man. Please listen to me. I will speak with him. Come on. When I tell him, he will definitely accept. Don't go. I'm telling you no. While going, please be careful with the police, okay?
So, this is the evidence. Well, maybe he was planning for a romantic night with you.
If it is not Ram's, then how come it came into his pocket? I should have realized this earlier. All my fate, Shruti. How can he do this to me? I am worried.
Okay. Sorry, my bad. See, there is no point in crying, okay? Come on, let's try to think. Okay? There are two ways in front of you. Confront or ignore it. I don't think there is any point in confronting. Ram is going to give you some stupid excuse. What is the guarantee he will not repeat it again? The inside stories of high-stress workplaces like hospitals are a bit sleazy. You know that? By the way, how is your married life going?
Ram takes care of all the financial aspects.
Oh, not financially. Your married life. To be frank, I'm asking about your sex life.
Ram is a bit aloof. And in this age...
That's where the problem is. You're the one who feels old. Ram has proved he's still young. You know, Sarasu, these days, even we need to be a bit proactive. An active sex life is a must for a strong marriage.
I'm seeing you from long days. I didn't ask about your family. Where are they?
My schooling was in Abu Dhabi. And then we shifted here. When I was in university, I lost my mother in cancer. And then, after a few years, Dad get remarried. You know, I couldn't never see her mom. That guy made me live alone. My dad and family lives here only, in Birmingham. But I don't visit them. In Christmas here, they're conducting dinner. That is the only connection between me and my family.
I'm sorry, yaar.
Hey, will you say sorry? Do I look sad about it? In a way, it's better to keep a distance in all relationships. Hey, I want to ask you. Your hair have same smell as well as my mom. Is it some shampoo or...
That's the coconut oil. I
Oh.
can't live without coconut oil, you know. When I came from India, I bought a huge bottle of coconut oil.
Oh,
Because of that, Rajesh had a hard time explaining to the customs, you know.
Food is ready.
Okay.
Oh no, I forgot the coffee there. I will get it.
Yeah, it's okay.
Mama. Oh my God, Mama. Mama. Mama, what's happened to you? Mama. 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 Look at me. Mama. Sally, get here immediately. Mommy's not well. Mama. Mama. Oh my God. Mama. 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 Mama.
What happened? Mom?
I'm here, Ma.
Okay. It's okay. Joe, call the ambulance. Go. Mom, nothing. Don't worry. All right. You'll be all right.
What is it? You've been moody the whole time, huh? Okay, now how's your new help, that Bangladeshi?
She's okay. Apart from cooking, she does everything else. But she always looks so sad. I think her husband is not a gentleman. He's only bothered about her salary when she takes from me. I'm going to ask her.
Hey, come on, it's their life. You just ignore it. Do you know how difficult it is to get someone whom we can trust these days? I've been thinking, to meet all our expenses, I have to do some overtime, you know? All the other doctors around are making money like that. So, from next month on, I've agreed to do an extra shift. If that happens, then we can have that Bangladeshi full-time, permanent.
Amma told me. Come on, I'll do it. I'll do it.
What?
Amma,
What language do we speak at home?
Huh?
You both tell me.
Well, Malayalam or Tamil. We speak Indian language. How is it? Okay, come. Let's have some fun.
Rajesh, what Gauri? Do we need to discuss this now?
You said there are no secrets between both of you. Let your friend come, I'll ask him.
Shut up now. For God's sake, Gauri. What you are saying is not a big deal, okay?
No, before marriage we used to chat for 6 to 8 hours, right? So why didn't you not tell me about this? So you both are playing with me, right? In case if you are involved in this dowry matter, I don't know what I'll do.
So it's not a big deal. In my office, all the colleagues are doing like this.
That's not my problem. I just don't want to get married for money.
It's not about the money, Gauri. I love you too.
So, Deepu, Chintu, hope you guys remember what I told you. Next month on, weekly 3 days, I won't be there at home.
Deepu, haven't I told you not to read while eating? You idiot.
And for those 3 days, I'll be staying back in the city, okay?
But why, Dad?
What do you mean why? I have a lot of work to do. I don't have time even to sleep. I'll get 3 to 4 hours if I spend that in traveling. That won't be good. Okay, so I have to stay somewhere close to the hospital, all
But
right?
Appa, who are you going to stay with?
I'm gonna stay with my friend. You guys don't know him. One of my doctor friends.
But Appa, can we come and stay with you, please? Can we, please?
Not now. It's a small place. Huh? Let's think about it. Okay? And you guys should listen to your mom all the time.
We'll
Okay.
try.
Otherwise, when I call in the night and mom has any complaints against you, I'm just 1 hour away from here. Okay? Sarsu, can I get some dal?
What did I say about the book? I don't care.
Okay, girls. Hope you remember whatever I said. Till I come back here, you guys must help your mom in every way. Huh? And I'll be back by next week.
Bye,
Okay?
Dad.
Mwah.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, my dear. Okay, Sarsu. Take care. Come. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm Dr. Ram, your chest physician. And you are Mrs. Varghese Salsama. Oh ho, you guys are Indians, huh? Around here I'm known as Dr. Ram, but my full name is Sri Ramakrishnan Nair. I didn't want the Englishmen to go breathless saying my name, so I shortened it.
And Joy, she's my wife Sally.
Hi.
It's a big relief that you are an Indian too.
Where are you from?
Tiruvalla.
Ah, that's great. We got even closer now. I'm from Mavelikara. Oh. So she was admitted early today, right? Hmm. How do you feel now? Are you able to breathe properly? Huh? Has she been on some medication?
Yes.
Well, how long has she been having asthma?
She's been suffering from asthma for the past 38 years.
Joy. I think she may need some tests to be done. Chest x-rays and other tests to get to the bottom of it. Okay?
Hasina? What is this? It's okay. It's okay.
How's she now?
She's been moved to the ventilator.
Mm-hmm.
She seems to be stable now, though.
And have you checked with the patient in 85?
Yes. Yes, I have.
Good. I'll see you later.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah. I need help. Can you drop me at airport tomorrow? Yeah, around 7. What? What doubling, man? It's look like 2 weeks job only. See, I always worried about Gauri. I don't know how she is going to manage alone. Huh? Not only this, I have booked a Western dance for this week. Damn. Could you? Seriously? I owe you, bro. Okay then, I call you later. Okay? Okay then, bye.
Did he say who was staying with?
When I asked him, he said he's going to stay with a friend. I did not ask anything more. When Ram feels I doubt him...
Okay. I think maybe we are overreacting to it.
Shruti, I have an idea. Shall I go to his hospital? I need to find out the truth. What train should I take?
To Central London? You alone? No way. Just a matter of 2 to 4 hours. I'll try be there.
No. Shruti, it may not be for a day. Let me do it myself.
Sarasu, don't stress out, okay? I'm here for you, for everything.
Thank you.
Mum?
Mom?
Ask
Joe!
them to pay through my credit card.
Joe, I think mother is serious.
I'll call back. Mama? Mama?
Mom?
Mama?
Nas, please come. Mom is serious, I think.
Mama? Mama?
What's wrong? What's wrong? It looks as though she's having another asthma attack. Crash call, please. Crash call, please.
Hey, buddy. Hey, man. Buddy.
Hey, Siju sir, what a surprise.
I have been searching for you all over the place. You haven't left me your address, phone number, or anything at all. Look at your condition, man. Huh? Are you sick? Tell me, man.
I had a fever, but I am okay now. It's very cold outside here, no? There is no much of a problem, but I am not able to sleep properly. Yesterday there was a comedy. My roommate is a guy from Poland. He was asking me what I was blabbering throughout the night. He won't understand anything about Kathakali, right? It's so cold here. Do you want a tea?
I don't need tea. Go and take all your things, pack it and come with me.
Where to?
The Sri Lankan boy who was working in our restaurant has left the job. I spoke to the boss to appoint you in that place.
No
more arguments. You are coming.
Siju say it's not possible. I can't come.
I will speak to him. You come. Come fast.
So, she was just standing there and... Hold on a second. Hello?
Hello?
Sarsu, where are you now?
I am at, Chinnu, stop fighting, you idiot. Yeah, tell me, Ram.
Nothing. No, I just called you. Everything okay at home?
Yeah, okay.
Okay then, I'll call you in the night. Okay, I'm too tired now. All right, bye.
Actually, I was a bit tensed when I first came here. Different people, place, language. But now I like London very much. At least men's here don't stare at you. We can walk in the streets without fear.
In that way, other than India, any city in the world is safe for women. That is, people act like they have not seen women.
What an example you said. Rajesh already told me a few things about you.
What did it say?
Nothing.
Oh, come on, tell me. Only the Rajesh has all the rights to tell anything about me. So please.
Rajesh says that except this London queen, you have dated all the women in the world.
Everyone say in our country, there is no medicine for jealous. That's him. You're Rajesh. Let's go.
Mummy, had your lunch?
I'll eat later. If you girls finished, go and study. Deepu, come here. Chinnu, you to come.
What, Mummy? What happened, Mom? Is everything okay?
I'm really sorry. Everything will be okay. Everything will be okay. You go. Now go and study. Hasina, I'll do the rest. You go home. It's late.
It's okay, ma'am. I'll put in dishwasher.
Hasina, come here. Did he hit you again? Ask him to come and see me tomorrow.
Isn't it boring after a time?
For what?
Dating girls.
Oh, well, You know one thing, Gauri? I don't understand how married men live here. Look around the city. Where else will you find so many beautiful women? In all colors, shapes, size. So, how can one possibly be bored, right?
So, you are planning to date all your life, huh?
Hey, no. Not like that. You know, what could I say? I never met anyone whom I want to see every day. So I am still finding the dream girl. And also, I'm waiting for my dream girl.
So I'll pray for God. May you find the dream girl very soon. Okay, Sibin?
Thank you.
Okay, then I'll leave. I don't want to waste your time. Good night.
No. I'll walk you home.
Oh, okay.
Hello? Hello, Rajesh? No. Just now we are reached here. Well, I think she had a good time. You can ask Gauri for the details. Hold on a sec.
Hello? Wow, it was a beautiful stage. It's amazing how they changed the setting so fast. I enjoyed a lot. I just loved it, you know. Yeah, I reached home. Okay, we'll call you. Okay, bye. We'll call you. Bye.
Alright then. Have a good night.
Good night and thanks a lot. I know you had to change your plans for me, right?
Hey, no. It was fun. I had a good time. Okay, let me get going.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey, Stacy. Well, not tonight, okay? I'm a bit tired. Yeah. Okay.
Joy, I got your mother's test results. Unfortunately, things are not looking that great. You said your wife is from the medical field, right?
Yeah.
She might understand this better. She has some complications caused due to pneumonia. Almost all her vital organs are affected, especially her kidneys.
What are the chances of recovery?
Can't say anything for sure. Let's take it on a day-to-day basis and hope and pray it all gets well. Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I know what's happening in your house. She didn't tell me, but I know. Listen, if I find out that you hit her again, I'll call the police. Do you understand? My best friend is a lawyer. I make sure that you put in jail for the next 5 years. Do you understand it clearly? Huh? She can go now.
What do you think the mouse is gonna do now?
The mouse is gonna tell it to the big mummy mum. It's gonna try and find the big mummy mum and give it the little kid to the mummy.
Yeah.
It might be something kind. He might do something kind.
Well, that's nice of him, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because she was in a box, wasn't she? She was put in a box.
Yeah.
Why is she good? What do you think he's gonna do to him?
For that brown color sari, I don't have any matching blouse with that.
Brown? Yeah, I have a few shades of brown with me. That blouse you wore for an association meeting,
The
right?
one with the border?
Yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah, it was good.
Will you be there?
Yeah, I'm
Mama?
planning to.
Mama, are you able to hear what I'm speaking? Ma, open your eyes, na. Jimmy has come to see you. Jimmy talked to her. It has been 2 days since she uttered a word.
That's because of the renal problem. When the heart is weak, blood circulation will be slow.
Yeah, but her skin looks alright.
That's because of the renal problem, Joe. When the heart is weak, blood circulation will be slow. And this swelling could be because of water retention, I think.
Mama?
Sorry. Hello, Gauri. Sibin. What are you up to? Oh, all right. No, I just thought about you, so that's why I called you. Yeah. Now you're my responsibility, right? And yeah, so, Naveen and Mary, responsible young man. What are you doing for lunch? Hey, I know great Indian restaurant. He serves wonderful fish mole. There is no restaurant like that. Chancellor's food experience. Okay, then I will come and pick you. Okay, all right. Yeah.
Mr. Joy, your mother has been on the ventilator for quite some time now. Dr. Ram, maybe you could explain to both of them their options.
Dr. Steve, if you may, let me explain to him everything clearly.
Please, go ahead.
It's been 9 days since your mother has been on ventilator support. We have to make some serious decisions now. There is a limit for how long we can keep a patient on life support. An option we have is to do trichotomy. That is, we make a small hole in the neck of the patient. And through the tube, she can start breathing artificially.
Yes, yeah.
You're going to make a hole in the neck?
Well, to tell you the truth, it's not a complicated operation. Not at all. But looking at your mother's present health condition, any procedure can be complicated. But then, we have to try all the options we have. There is no other choice.
What are the other options?
Well, other options, we can remove your mother from the ventilator support.
If you remove her from the ventilator, what about her breathing?
Well, there have been cases where the patients have miraculously recovered and started breathing normally. But then, taking your mother's heart condition and kidney functioning into consideration, I'm sorry, I won't bet on it. Looking at her present conditions and all that, I'm not sure trichotomy will help. I don't know if you want to put her through the pain.
You see, in her current condition, as her son's, I'm afraid you're going to have to make the decision for her. I know that's not easy, but time really isn't on our side. So if there's anything we can do to help, advice or anything like that, then we're here for you, okay?
Thank you, doctor.
Shruti, you know what? I found out Ram's studio apartment address.
Congratulations. Wow, great CID work.
I don't know if it is CID. A bit of curiosity, that's it. You know what the best part is? Following Ram every day, I travel throughout the city a lot. It gave me a confidence, a belief that I'm capable. That's really good. What you said is true, Shruti. Simply sitting at home, my thoughts had become very, very negative. You know, I really don't care. Whatever Ram's secret is, now I have got the confidence to face it. I feel empowered.
Jimmy, we need to come to a decision about Mama. Dr. Steve has given us 24 hours time to come to a decision.
It's true. No point in leaving this way.
It's all right for the doctors to say we'll have to take her out of ventilator. It's easy when you're not her son. What's your opinion?
What do you expect me to say? Do you tell Sally?
Ask whoever we may. We need to make a decision.
Hello? Hello, Stacy. Yeah? I'll be coming in 2 minutes. I'm just outside the office. Okay. See you there. Bye. Brother, I have a lot of issues at work. I have to go now.
So what about Mama?
Whatever you decide is okay with me.
Hey, looking nice. So,
Thanks.
are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's good that you got the iPad.
Huh?
A few of my college snaps are on the net.
Oh.
Maybe you can get your dream girl in India. Don't worry, there are better looking girls in my college, okay? The only difference is they don't show their legs like London girls. In case, if you still won't get the girl, you can search in matrimonial sites. Definitely you'll get a good girl in that sites.
Okay.
What did Jimmy say?
Jimmy? What can I say? He doesn't want to get involved in anything. He wants me to decide. It doesn't matter to him anymore whether Mama's dead or alive. To this point in my life, all the decisions have been taken by you. But now, at the most vital point, why should it be left to me, Mama? It's not fair to make her suffer anymore. All my life, I have only seen her struggle. At least when she parts, I want her to be pain-free. You ask the doctor to remove the ventilator. I'm not going to stay here. It's all right if you take care of it. I can't stay here any longer. I need to take a shower.
Hello.
Hello.
It has been a long time.
What should I say? I got a call from your fish molly today.
Sit down, sit down.
Yeah.
You have a friend, right? And I think his name is Rajiv?
Rajesh.
Oh, yes, right, Rajesh.
He's in Dublin. Oh, by the way, this is Rajesh's wife, Gauri.
Oh, is it so? Hello. Rajesh was my regular customer. He had told me he was getting married. What would you like to drink?
I will have beer.
How about you?
I want a lime juice enough.
Right.
I have the photos of my friends in this album. Most of them are unmarried. Just pick the one you like and I shall deal from there. Choose the one you like.
Okay.
Okay, today I'll decide what to order.
Yeah.
Hey, did you like?
No.
No? This. See, how is she?
No.
Yes, you just see now.
Oh, Shankar, are you here? Why are you standing outside? We have customers. Come and take the order.
Yeah.
Can I take your order, please, sir?
Oh, well, give us just a second.
Yeah. Make it soon. Ammu has come. Sridharan uncle is also there. I think she didn't like my dress here. She's always like this. She wants to see me smartly dressed. I'm going there. You also change your dress, take the cycle and come to Balan's house. She came so early. I couldn't even get dressed. Okay, this should do. Let me go fast. I shouldn't get delayed. But she should have told me early. How come she came without telling me? Cycle.
Excuse me, ma'am. Did you notice a man walking here, an Indian?
I saw no one walking nowhere.
I know he lives in one of these apartments, but I don't know which one.
I don't know. I don't know.
So, you like the girl in that album, right? Tell me who it is.
Well, that's not easy to say, Gauri. It's a matter of my life. Anyways, you have a good time.
Then, when will you tell me?
Let's see. Hey, thanks for coming.
Come on, Sibin. I'm supposed to thank you. Thanks for the lunch. Okay.
Hold a second. Yeah, coming. Yes. Sarsu?
Ram, I just came.
Is it Ram? Okay, I'm gonna go and take a shower.
Aren't you coming?
Huh? I think I should.
Are you an Indian?
Yeah, I'm a Indian. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. You know, sometimes you fail to see what is right in front of you. Life is full of mystery. Certain decisions in life are not very easy to take.
I don't know what you're talking about. But I think you're right.
Daddy? Mom called you from hospital.
What is it?
Grandma came to conscious.
Jesus.
It's okay, Dad.
Kathakali. Kathakali.
What?
Kathakali.
Kathakali?